Good morning class. Now today we are going to start with new chapter in English language, that is chapter 22, comprehension. The word comprehension says that in this we have been given a single passage. You have to just read that passage, understand it, and after that we are being asked some of the question based on that. You have to answer that questions which are being asked in the passage. Now today we are going to do that passage which is based on Antarctica. Now first of all, what I am going to do is I am going to explain you the passage which is being given in the book. The passage is on page number 69. I am going to explain you that passage. Now after that we have been asked some of the questions. Are answer the following questions briefly. First of all, you have to answer the questions. After that, you have been given complete the following sentences with the correct option given below. We have been given 2 or 3 or the options. You have to select which is the right option and you have to fill in the blanks with that. Third, C exercises. You have to write the same meanings of the word which we are being given, that is the synonyms, and in the other one you have to write the opposites of the word meaning that is being given. So in that you have to write the antonyms. You have to do these 4 exercises based on the passage of Antarctica. We have been explained a passage about Antarctica and what Antarctica is being done on. Now let us begin with the passage from our books. Now let us begin with the comprehension chapter in book. Chapter 22, comprehension. Open to page number 69 in your English language books. Now let us read the following passage carefully and answer the following questions that follow. The paragraph is: Antarctica is one of the 7 continents of the earth. This continent is located at the South Pole, surrounded by Southern Ocean. This is the 5th largest on the basis of size, but the smallest on the basis of population amongst all continents. That is, largest in the size but smallest on the basis of population. There is not even a single house on this continent. This is the coldest, driest and the windiest continent. This continent is not the part of any country. This is not the part of any of the country. Antarctica is the storehouse of almost the 90% of ice on earth. It has as much as ice on it as in the Atlantic Ocean has water in it. It has much ice as the Atlantic Ocean is having. There is no sign of human activities on Antarctica. It never rains in Antarctica. Only a few species of animals like polar bears and seals survive there. There are only 2 animals. First one is the polar bear and the other one is the seals. However, scientific bases of different countries are there. Scientists from all over the world go there to do research work. Some people go there as tourists. There is hardly any scene of sun setting or sun rising there. However, there is austral light that keeps light there always to make the things visible. There are no suitable conditions for human beings to survive there. But Antarctica is a very important continent for the survival of all life on the earth. It is so because if the menace of global warming keeps on increasing like this, the glaciers on the surface of Antarctica will melt and resultantly the water levels in the ocean will rise and the land area of the earth will submerge into water and everything will get finished up. Global warming means increase in the average temperature of the earth. We all need to take care of the things which lead to global warming. Turn the page. We should avoid such activities which lead to global warming. We should use fossil fuel, polythene, electronic things, etc. as less as possible on our part. Now, this was the paragraph which we have read. I hope you all have understood. This is a short paragraph on Antarctica. Now what you all have to do is, we have been given 6 question answer over here. Complete the following sentences with the correct option given below. And this one is the find the passage which are same in the meaning. You have to fill this and you have to fill this exercise. Now what's next thing we all are going to do is open a fresh page in your English language notebooks. In your notebooks, open a fresh page. Write today's date. Now before starting the work, first of all, let us fill the index. Now in index, first of all, put serial numbers, put today's date, chapter 22 comprehension. Now count the number of page and write it over here. After writing all this, turn the page and come to a new page. In this, put today's date, classwork, chapter 22 comprehension. First one, read the following passage carefully and answer the questions that follow. Now see, as I have written this paragraph, you cannot write the whole passage in your notebooks. So you have to write the starting 7 or 6 words and the last 7 or 6 words. In the between, you can make the dashes as I have made. Antarctica is one of the 7 continents that dash as less as possible on a part. You have to write this much in your notebooks. Now again, after this, come to answer the following questions briefly. Write all the questions using black pen and all the answers using blue pen. First one, how large is Antarctica as a continent in the world? You can find the answer of these questions from your passage. Now let me tell you how we will find. How large is Antarctica as a continent in the world? Now from this, you can see this line here. This is the 5th largest on the basis of population, but the smallest on the basis of population amongst all countries. See, we have written our answer like this. Antarctica is the 5th largest on the basis of size, but the smallest on the basis of population amongst all countries. This will show that how will you find the answer from your passage only. Second is, how many houses are there in Antarctica? Answer for this is, there is not even a single house in Antarctica. Third one question is, how much ice of the earth is there in Antarctica? Answer is, Antarctica is the storehouse of almost 90% of the ice on earth. Fourth question is, name any 2 animals living in Antarctica. Answer is polar bear and seals. After writing each and every answer, make a short line as I have made. Now turn the page. Fifth one is, why do scientists all over the world go to Antarctica? Answer for this is, scientists from all over the world go there to do research work. After writing this question, form a small line at the end. Sixth one is, what will happen if the global warming continues? Answer for this is, if the global warming keeps on increasing like this, the glaciers on the surface of Antarctica will melt and resultantly the water levels in the ocean will rise and the land area of the earth will submerge into water and everything will get finished up. Will finish. After writing this, as we complete with a question and answer, form a big line at the end and move to B1. B is, complete the following sentences with correct option given below. In this, we have been given a sentence, Antarctica is one of the 7 dash. We have been given 3 options, countries in the world, continents in the world, oceans in the world. You have to fill, first of all, tick it over here and fill it again over here. Continents in the world. Antarctica is one of the 7 continents in the world. Like this, you have to do the second one also. On the basis of area, Antarctica is dash. 5th in the world. 5th in the world, 4th in the world, 10th in the world. You will take in the 5th in the world, A option, and fill it over here. Third one is, in Antarctica we can see neither sun nor rain. First option is sun. Second, rain. Neither sun nor rain. Tick it over here and fill neither sun or nor rain over here. Fourth is, if the ice in Antarctica melts, the water levels in the ocean will rise, fall, rise, neither for rise nor fall. Tick it over here and fill rise over here. After completing this, form a line at the end and move to C1. C1 is find the words in the above passage which are same in the meaning as the following. You have to write the similar words from the passage only to fill this. First word situated, located. Second covered, surrounded. Third alone, single. Fourth lived, survived. Fifth travelers, tourist. Sixth increase, rise. After writing this, form a line at the end and move to D1. Find the words in the above passage. As in the C1 you have written the similar meanings. In the D1 you have to write the opposite of these 6 words given. So given over here. First one heaven, hell. Second southern, northern. Largest, smallest. Fourth moon, sun. Fifth one hottest, coldest. Sixth fire and finish. After writing this, form a line at the end, and here we complete with the passage in our notebooks. Now, homework for you all is you have to learn the definition. Now tomorrow I am going to take the revision of chapter 10, Beauty and the Beast. Part 2. I am going to take the revision of word meaning and question and answer from that chapter 10. So, learn the question and answer and word meanings of chapter 10 from English Literature Notebook. Thank you.